Are you tired of feeling burnt out and overwhelmed with school and life responsibilities? As a muslimah student, it can be challenging to balance our daily routines with our faith and academic obligations. But don't worry, I've got you covered. In today's video, I'll be sharing daily routine that you can follow to stay productive, focused, and connected to your faith. Let's start with morning routine. 1. Try to set multiple alarms at night. Setting multiple alarms ensures waking up on time, increasing chances of a refreshed start. It helps train the body to wake up consistently, developing a healthy sleep schedule. 2. Let yourself hydrated first. Drinking water upon waking up helps rehydrate the body after a night of sleep. It kickstarts metabolism, boosts energy, and flushes out toxins. This simple habit can also aid in digestion and mental clarity throughout the day. After that, do some stretches while sitting on your bed and go get yourself fresh to start your day with Fajr prayer. 4. Starting your day with Fajr prayer brings spiritual rejuvenation, mental clarity, and a sense of peace. This blessed habit connects you with Allah, guiding you towards a productive and fulfilling life. Once you have prayed, then recite Quran even if it's just 2 pages. Reciting Quran regularly brings barakah in your daily routine. Finally, get ready for school and head out the door feeling refreshed and focused. Now let's move on to afternoon routine. After coming back home from school, pray the Zohar and take a break for lunch. Remember, eat homemade food and avoid unnecessary junk food. After lunch, take a short nap from 2:30 to 3:30 p.m. to recharge. This nap helps you to stay focused and alert for the rest of the day, or else without it, you will feel dozing in the evening. Move on to evening routine. In the evening, wake up from nap and have a snack or tea to refresh your mind and fuel your body. If you have classes, then head out to attend them. Otherwise, use this time for self-study. Pray Asr and take a short break before resuming back to studies. Finally, pray Maghrib and take some time to relax as there is a short gap between Isha and Maghrib, so you can go outside to play with your friends. Finally, at last, night routine. At night, pray Isha with pure intentions, do night adkar, and have dinner with your family. After dinner, relax yourself by watching your fave TV show or movie and unwind before bed. Try to get to bed early so you can get a good night's sleep and do it all again the next day. And that's the daily routine. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Remember, the key to a successful daily routine is to stay consistent, prioritize your tasks, and make time for self-care and relaxation. Don't forget to plan out your day the night before and make adjustments as needed. And most importantly, make sure to take breaks and practice self-care throughout the day.